Modeling a hotel front desk. Today I'll show you how to create a hotel front desk using the text typing tool in Maya 2020. First, go to Create, select Type tool. In the attribute editor, type the uppercase letter K and click on Create Curves from Type. This will create a 3D text with a curve. Select the 3D text and hit Delete. Select the curve, enter vertex selection mode. Select the vertices in the center, move them up and down along the y-axis. Hold the V key and snap the vertex to the other vertex on the bottom edge. Then, move the vertex along the x-axis. Repeat this procedure. Now, we create the cross-section of the table stand. Move it away from the center of the grids. Hold the D key to activate its pivot point and add the X key to snap the pivot point to the center of the grids. Go to Surfaces and apply a revolve. Go to Tool Setting, set the revolve axis as Y and sweep angle, revolve degree, as 120. Put 8 at segments and apply a revolve. Now we created a NURBS shape of the table stand. Go to Modify, Convert, and apply Convert NURBS to polygons. In the tool setting, choose the tessellation method as general and click on quads as mesh types. Put 8 for subdivision U and V and apply. Now we have the polygon model. Hide the NURBS model. Select the polygon model and delete its history. By deleting its history, you break the connection between it and the curve, which means the curve will no longer affecting the shape of the polygon model. Double-click on the center edges on the top faces. Hold the Control key and hit Delete. Double-click on the center edges on the bottom faces. Hold the Control key and hit Delete. Now we will add edges to the left faces and matching the other edges on the right faces. Hold the Shift key and click on mouse right button, open Insert Edge Loop tool. Add 3 edges that have the same height as the other edges. On the cross section, select the left edges, then select the right edges. Go to Edit Mesh and apply Bridge. In the tool setting, make sure the division set is 0. Now we sealed the right side of the table. Repeat the same procedure to seal the left side of the table. Open Insert Edge Loop tool and add an edge loop to any corner of the table. These extra edges will help keep the shape when you smooth your model. Go to Mesh and apply Smooth. Hit the G key to repeat the last action, Smooth. Now we finish the table stand. Next step, we will create the countertop. Go to Create, select Type tool. In the attribute editor, type the uppercase letter I and click on Create Curves from Type. This will create a 3D text with a curve. Select the 3D text and hit Delete. Select the curve, rotate it 90 degrees along the Z-axis. Move it along the Y-axis and the X-axis to align it with the table stand. Scale it down along the Y-axis. With the Move tool activated, hold the D key to activate the curve's pivot point. Then, add the X key to snap its pivot point to the center of the grids. Go to Surfaces and apply a revolve. In the tool setting, set the revolve axis as Y and sweep angle, revolve degree, as 140. Apply the tool and it will generate a NURBS shape countertop. Rotate the NURBS object in 10 degrees along the Y-axis. This will align it with the table stand. Go to Modify, Convert, and convert NURBS to polygons. Now we will have the polygon mesh of the countertop. Delete its history and hide the NURBS shape. Select the extra edges on the top faces and bottom faces, hold the Control key and hit Delete. Select the top edges and bottom edges on the cross section, go to Edit Mesh and apply Bridge to seal the side face. Repeat the same procedure to seal the other side. Use Insert Edge Loop tool to add edge loops to each corner of the countertop. Select the edges on the corner of the countertop. Go to Edit Mesh and apply Bevel. Put fraction as 0.8 and segments as 3. It will create rounded corners. When you are done, go to Mesh and apply Smooth twice. That's how to create a hotel front desk in a few minutes. Hope you like it. Subscribe and learn more.